Effects of today's decision are already being felt not only across the country, but right here in New Orleans. How the city's one abortion center was forced to close minutes after that ruling came down. Devin Bartolotta leads us off tonight.
Yeah, Sharice, this ruling is not just divisive, but it is hugely life-changing for millions of would-be parents across the country.
The doors of the only abortion clinic in New Orleans closed immediately Friday morning as the Supreme Court overturned the decision on Roe versus Wade. Outside, a mix of celebration
God did this.
And fear that pregnant people will have nowhere to go.
I knew what they were going to do, but somehow you hold out that little tiny hope that maybe it won't be as bad. Maybe there'll be some little something there that a woman can work with, a person can work with who wants to have an abortion.
In the court's majority opinion, Justice Samuel Alito wrote that abortion is not expressly protected by the Constitution, and states will set their own laws on the procedure. About half of all U.S. states are expected to ban abortions, and the ruling has already triggered laws in more than a dozen states, including Louisiana, that made abortion illegal immediately after the decision was announced. The announcement was not a surprise after a draft of the decision leaked in May, but is still a monumental reversal of decades of precedent by the mostly conservative court. Pro-life groups like Louisiana Right to Life celebrated the decision and called for increased support for mothers.
As a feminist, I call upon Louisianians to step up and to answer the call to bolster holistic help to women and rally in their time, in their talent, in their treasure in support of our incredible pregnancy centers, adoption agencies, and abundance of private and social services.
Louisiana's 3 abortion clinics would perform roughly 8,000 abortions per year. Now the only exception is if the life of the mother is in danger. It's ignited powerful feelings on both sides. June 24th, a day and a decision down in history.
The sociologists and historians say this decision will disproportionately impact marginalized groups and those who cannot travel for an abortion if it is needed. Sharice.
All right, Devin, thank you so much. Well, those